lows in the lower 50s. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Nicholas County in southeastern West Virginia, northeastern Kanawha County in central West Virginia, southern Roane County in central West Virginia, Clay County in north central West Virginia, until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:47 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Spencer, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clay, Clendenin, Glen, Amma, Walbach, Bickmore, Tariff, Pocious, Indore, Walton, Left Hand, Looneyville, Ivadale, and Danbyville. This includes Interstate 79 between mile markers 16 and 38. This is a heat advisory for the following location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central Nicholas, northeastern Kanawha, southeastern Roane and Clay counties. At 6:06 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Amma, or 10 miles northwest of Clay, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clay, Clendenin, Amma, Walbach, Glen, Left Hand, Bickmore, Ivadale, Pocious, and Indore. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is a special weather statement for the Kanawha County in central West Virginia, southwestern Webster County in northeastern West Virginia, southern Clay County in north central West Virginia, northern Fayette County in southeastern West Virginia, until 7:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:27 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Birch River to 6 miles west of Glen, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Somersville, Richwood, Clay, Montgomery, Anstead, Cedar Grove, East Bank, Glasgow, Smithers, Gully Bridge, Pratt, Camden-on-Gawley, Powellton, Glen, Hawks Nest State Park, Coal Fork, Birch River, Craigsville, Camden-on-Gawley, and Henley. This includes the following highways: West Virginia Turnpike between mile markers 72 and 75. Route 19 between mile markers 22 and 59. This is a heat advisory for the following counties in The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Kanawha County in central West Virginia, east central Lincoln County in central West Virginia, north central Boone County in central West Virginia, until 7:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over South Charleston, or near Charleston, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Charleston, Jefferson, South Charleston, Dunbar, Alum Creek, Sod, Ashford, and Racine. This includes the following highways: Interstate 77 in West Virginia between mile markers 99 and 100. Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 51 and 57. Route 119 between mile markers 63 and 80. Here The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Kanawha County in central West Virginia, east central Lincoln County in central West Virginia, north central Boone County in central West Virginia, until 7:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over South Charleston or near Charleston, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Charleston, Jefferson, South Charleston, Dunbar, Howland Creek, Sod, Ashford, and Racine. This includes the following highways: Interstate 77 west of Virginia between mile markers 99 and 100. Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 51 and 57. Route 119 between mile markers 63 and 80.